Hello everybody, this is Patchi from Picassos. We are going to make a lovely project today that is connected to one that we did before. That is a lovely bunny on a stick. So what we are gonna do is a lovely Easter set. So it's a beautiful little city where your bunny can walk around. Hey, hello! Hide behind the trees. Come and visit the library, or come here to eat a lovely carrot. So we are going to make today these buildings. They are made with boxes that you can find at the kitchen in your house, okay? So let's take a look what we are gonna do. First, get a box, can be any size. You saw my city, so there are lots of buildings, so you can choose any size. Put a box on the top of a paper, okay? Get a pen or a pencil and trace around the box. When you do this, you have the front of your building. Maybe you would like to make the side of the building as well. So what you're gonna do, put the box here, just right next to the line that you did first, and make it again. But now turning the box to the side. So we have here the front and the side of your building. Get scissors and let's trim. We are gonna need this part of the paper because we are gonna make a tree. There is a lovely tree there, so we are gonna make it. Paper cut. You fold right on the line and check if this is the proper size. So put in front of your building and see if it fits. Lovely, it fits very nice. So now we can open and start drawing. So I'm gonna make a lovely shop. You can of course make anything that you want. I'm just gonna give you an idea on how you could make a door. So get your bunny, put right here so you can have the size of the door. So I'm gonna have a door that is gonna be this size. A frame. I'm gonna put a window here and hang a sign where you can read open. We're gonna have a door handle. Now a window. Lovely window. And we are gonna have a little garden here right on the front. Right on the top, you're gonna write the name of your shop. What kind of shop is this? Is it a grocery? Is it a bookstore? I don't know. What do you think could be? Then we have here the roof. Now let's go to the side of your building. We could have here a lovely big window. And we can have another part of the garden. Because this is the shop of a bunny, I think I'm gonna put some carrots in the garden. I think the little bunny would love that. Some lovely carrots. Okay, building done. Oh, forgot to make the other part of the roof. So if the building is done, I'm gonna write here that this is gonna be a shop. Time for coloring. So choose the best colors for your building. I think that it would be very nice to have some orange for my carrots. And I think I would like to have a very nice red to use on my roof. You don't need to color all the building if you don't think that is necessary. Some of my buildings were just white. It looks very nice if you put some blue on your windows. And maybe a colorful door. What color would be good for a door? I think maybe pink would be a very nice door. Green for your little garden. And you are ready to stick that on your box. So just put on a box, bit of sticky tape, and here we go. One side, other side. And your little shop is ready for the adorable little bunny. So what about making the tree? If you want to make the tree, you get the leftover of the paper, okay? You're gonna need this time a bit of glue. So get the paper, fold it right in the middle. Remember, if you don't have card at home, if you have just normal paper, you need to do this. So the paper becomes a little bit more firm, okay? So here we go. You fold the paper in the middle. Leave here at the bottom a little flap. This is the part that is gonna make your tree standing, okay? So come, draw the tree. A tree with lovely branches. Maybe you want to make one bush here right on the side. Floor. And then it's time for coloring. Greens, lovely greens for the top of your tree. Lovely brown for the trunk. Okay? And green for your bush as well. I'm not coloring it perfectly, but you have the idea. Get the scissors. Cut your tree around. And you are ready to have a lovely tree right in front of your shop. So, get the sticky tape. There's the shop. And here is the lovely tree. So now, your bunny can come and leave the shop and right behind the tree. So let's put your shop back to my village. Okay, here we are. So now we have a lovely extra shop that is part of my city. And if you want, let's put the other tree here, right here next to my first one. Please send me the video you are gonna make at home so we can put on our website. It's gonna be adorable, I'm really sure. So if you like this video, what about checking our channel for the other videos or this one of the bunny? And take a look at us on Instagram. So, bye-bye.